Shalom, shalom, family. Today is a special day because I finally got my TRN here in Jamaica. And if you're a Jamaican living overseas, you know this isn't just another piece of paper. A TRN, which stands for Tax Registration Number, is basically your identification number for doing business, handling important matters in Jamaica. Whether you're opening a bank account, buying property, getting documents, or planning to move back home one day, having a TRN is a major step. And I can't even explain how good it feels. Being born Jamaican, getting my TRN just made everything feel official. It reminds me that no matter how far life takes us, Jamaica will always be home. So come along with me as I take another step in reconnecting with the island and embracing my roots. Shalom, shalom.
Yo, Lando, Primetime Lando, in the building. Shalom, shalom, lifestyle tracking, Jamaica only.
So, today we got something big going on. As a part of being a Jamaican, right? If you want to do business and stuff like that in the island, you have to have a TRN. So, today, I'm going to go get my TRN. What time is it right now? The time is 6:30. I know.
Well, strong.
All right, people, we're out here with no fear, right? Carlos, big up yourself. You're like that. All right, people, so as I said, we're going to get the TRN. Today is the day to get the TRN.
Crime, one picky, Choi give one, and then the next one Choi give the other one a ground. You go to drop no tall.
Listen.
You see it?
How are you doing, boy?
Yo. All right, people, I was trying to do my intro, but you know.
Later, man, you don't chat, you hear?
People, we're going to get our TRN. All right, we're going to get our TRN. Talk to the people, the people that want to see you. Say what's up.
Big up, big up, big up.
All right, people, his YouTube channel is coming soon. Pablo Lifestyle.
See there? You know.
All right. But, you know, as a Jamaican, you know, you want to do business in Jamaica, it's good to have your TRN. It's best to have your TRN because you really can't do much without your TRN. So, I'm going to do that. Chef in the background. Chef claimed he did his already, but I believe he's lying.
No, I did mine.
Liar. But, DeAndre, you did yours?
Yeah. She born here.
So me not born, I was born here.
No, she worked here. She worked here.
Hey,
Okay.
I have mine in my wallet right now.
Have all of that, man.
Yeah, right.
People, we in the streets, right? We're in the streets, about to go knock that out. We actually leaving later than we were supposed to leave because of DeAndre and Fabian. Yeah, all right, we out. What you say? What time they open?
The number gone, so we don't know. Open Monday to Wednesday.
If you're going to identify this time, people, let me know. Oh, 8:30.
Thursday, Friday, 8:30.
Okay, we number one, baby. All right, people, we're here. As you can see, I'm number one in line. Usually this line is super, super long, but maybe because it's in the week. On the weekend. They open on the weekends?
See, was it? Thursday.
But usually when I walk past here,
Yeah,
the line long. But you already know, God. I walk with all my angels. God is with me at all the time, you know? So, I'm at the front of the line as usual. I have favor. Number one in line, baby.
Shalom.
Shalom. TRN. For those who don't know what TRN is, it's pretty much like your social security number in America. But out here in Jamaica, if you want to do anything, make it. But you can, the crazy part is you can live here and don't have it if you don't want to do any business, I guess. Like, you want that job, I think you need a TRN to get your job, right?
Yeah, I guess, yeah.
Unless it's like an under the table type job.
NIS.
All right.
What's NIS?
What's NIS? National Insurance. Okay, what do they cover? What's that?
Oh,
Oh, Social Security?
Yeah.
Okay, NIS is something like Social Security. See, I'm learning. Born in Jamaica with people. I left Jamaica a long time. Okay, so it's a lot of.
We never work out here, so that's why we never have one.
We left at a school age. So certain things we're not gonna know. All right, people, we got like 2 more minutes. Not sure if I can record in there, but we'll see.
Oh yeah, no.
All right, people, we about to go in. Don't know. I'm not even gonna record. I'm not gonna try. All right, people, we fixing it right now. I did all my paperwork already. Pretty much got to. I'm waiting her to give me back the number, my TRN number. The process is very simple, guys. After I get out of here, I'm gonna explain it to y'all. All right, people, it's official. I'm not gonna show you my number, but it's official. I'm here. The people, we official, all right? We're official. My pops and my cousin, they left. They went to a little store, but I'm official. Can't talk to me, no, you know? Can't talk to me, no, but it's official, man. I might go over to the store and see what they getting. They probably more than likely they Caribbean, they hungry, so a food that they might eat. But that's what it is, people. Right in that Lucy Square. My grandmother used to sell food in Antonia. If you know, you know. If you know, you know.
Yes, people, am I official? Am I official now? I mean, I always been official. Now, I was born in Jamaica, but I did leave Jamaica at a very young age, right? So certain things that the average Jamaican that grew up in Jamaica have, I did not have. I left Jamaica in primary school, right? So I think you get your TRN after you graduate high school. I'm not sure how it worked, but whatever it is, the process was very easy. The process was not as hard as they made it seem online. Literally, I walked in to the tax office. I had my birth certificate, Jamaican bond, my passport, and my license. The lady literally just took my passport. She looked at my birth certificate. She saw that I was born in Jamaica. And that was it. She asked my address and stuff. You know, you got to fill out the paperwork. Yeah, so you got to have, so if you're doing that, it's best to have the paperwork filled out already. I had the paperwork filled out, but I left it. I couldn't find the paperwork. So when I got there, I had to fill out another one on site. Pretty much actually where you was born, your parents, blah, 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 stuff like that, where you come from. Address. All that was already, so most of the stuff was already on my birth certificate. So she literally just used my passport. And that was it, really. And then I was trying to do my wife. I asked her what my wife have to do to get her. She literally just said, if she comes here, passport, because she's already on my paperwork. It asks about your spouse. Now, I see that it might be a little issue as far as if you change your name. It's not a big issue, but you got to do the whole process over. Like my cousin wife, she was born in Jamaica. I mean, duh. She actually worked in Jamaica. She had TRN, NIS, and all that. But here's the thing. They got married. The name changed, so she has to get I don't know if it's a whole new number over, but they couldn't give her card. I know that. She got a TRN now, but she don't have a card. So you got to wait on the card. And for me, I got my TRN number, but I have to go back and get my card from the location that I went. Or I could send somebody to pick it up for me, but I have to write like a consent with notarized, blah, blah, blah. This is what I know, right? I walked into the office. Now, as far as from overseas, this is what I would do, because I had all this stuff already. Have ID, a copy of your ID, copy of your passport. I would say a copy of another picture. That's what I got, because this is what I got offline. and get that notarized. I would send a copy of my birth certificate too, but I just feel like it's easier to walk in. You guys see, I was first in line. It didn't take long. It took maybe 20 minutes. That's it. I feel good now, y'all. I think I should play the Jamaican anthem right now.
Eternal Father.
TRN. What's next? Drop down in the comments. What should I get next? What should I get next? When I heard y'all, yeah. I just felt like that was a part that was missing because I do want to do business in Jamaica. I do plan on doing business in the near future. So that's one of the things that I needed to move forward. That was one of the things that was in the way. So yeah, man, I feel good. Man. Hopefully, the information I dropped in this video was good for you. It was good for me. I learned a lot from myself. So, yeah, man, that's what it is. Do you have your TRN? How long you have? If you was born in Jamaica and you left, what age did you leave Jamaica? What age do you get TRN? That's a good answer. That's a good question. I don't know. I really don't know. I was raised in the U.S., man. I left in primary school. Y'all know how I go. But man, I still Jamaican. I never did not claim my Jamaicanness. All right. Either way, it's your boy Lando, Primetime. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share. It's your boy Lando. I'm out.